bilis, diskarte, tapang, at lakas. Yan ang makikita sa PBA Top 5 Plays. Panglima,
3-2,
One of those in a while.
3-2 because they respect the outside shooting, and then it translates to 2-3. Here's Greg Slaughter with a slammer.
And Barangay Nebra is back ahead 34-33.
pangapat,
I think Joe Devance.
Oh,
yes.
may malaglang saging sa sahig ng MOA Arena. James Yap putting Ellis on skates.
Ellis down on the floor. James Yap connecting.
pangatlo,
Sino tatanggap ng bola? Oh! Oh!
What a steal!
We are tied at 80. What a sequence! NSD is in the building.
But there's 3.4 seconds to go. May timeout on Star. They want to work for a last shot.
Can you believe it? Etong Star, lamang ng 18 at 72-54. Yung mga ibang fans na Barangay Nebra, tumumo na sa exit ng MOA Arena. But Barangay Nebra closing this out with a 26-8 run.
pangalawa,
Saka shot clock is down to 10.
Oh, crossover again. Romeo. Oh, just making it look so easy.
May mga crossover dito, hindi pa nahilo yung nagbabantay dito. Tapos saksa.
And finishing there.
at ang nanguna,
Sa triangle ng Ginebra.
Devon's bouncing to LA. He attacks that baseline. Up ang bansang reverse! LA Tenorio ang lalim noon!
They had to improvise. Nandun yung depensa ng Star Hotshots. At nandun din si LA Tenorio.
Grabe naman pinaghugutan ni Teniente doon. Tenorio maglalabas. Mercado tatanggap. Sol to LA for the win!
Oh, yes! LA Tenorio! Barangay Ginebra has eliminated the Star Hotshots.
Barangay Ginebra climbing back from 18 points down. They take out the Star Hotshots.
Unbelievable turn of events.
And it is another three-pointer, Ginito.
Only 3-pointers scored here. In the overtime period in LA Tenorio.
walang kupas ang galing ng ating PBA Stars. Tunay na di kayo maubusan sa bukod-tanging plays. Ito ang inyong naging top 5 plays ngayon.